Okay, good morning student. In this session we are learning about the porifera. What is porifera? Pori means porous. See, we have to see the porous is there in their body. Totally holes is there. See, next, see these organisms. See porifera. We have to see the organisms with holes all over the body. See, organisms with holes is there all over the body, all over the body. See, we have to see the all over the body is a holes is there. We have to see the here holes is there. Next, body differentiates into tissue in minimum. So it is a body differentiated into minimum into tissues in minimum. We have to see the this is a cell mode of transmission. See, mode of it is a cellular. Only cells is formed, not tissue. If a tissue is formed, it is a minimum is there. Mode of the cellular. Next, we have to see the cellular level of organization. Which one? This one? Cellular level of organization. Cellular level of organization. See, cellular level of organization, mostly asymmetrical, some are radial symmetrical. Mostly asymmetrical, asymmetrical and radial symmetrical. Radial symmetrical. Next example is a Euplectella cycon, Euplectella cycon. Next we have to see the Spongilla. These are a example, common example of the this porifera phylum. See, once you have to see the characteristics, organisms with hole all over the body. All over the body is a holes is there. See, body differentiated into tissue is a minimum and cellular level of organizations, asymmetrical, mostly asymmetrical and radial symmetry, and Euplectella, cycon and sponges. See, these are examples of the porifera. Next we have to see the structure. What is their structure? See here structure. What is structure is there? Hard, protective, covering, withstand body skeleton. So it is a structure. What is the structure is there? So it is a their body is a hard is there, protective, covering, withstand. So it is a side, outside body cavity is a skeleton made of spicules and spongilla fibers. See, we have to see the spicules and spongilla. It is a fibers is there. See, 4 porous from canal systems. We have to see the here is a canal system is there. Porous from canal system. Okay. Next we have to see the here ostia. Ostia, minute pore on the body through which it is a water enters. See, we have to see the ostia is there. See, it is a minute porous is there. We have to see the minute porous. See, this is a ostia. See, it is a minute porous. Is a water is a entering. Water is a entering inside through a ostia. Through ostia, water is a entering. Next, what said? It is a osculum also is there. In the osculum, an opening, the central cavity which connect to the outside. So it is a osculum is a, it is a outside, it is a entry, this line osculum. See, this is a, we are calling the osculum. Next, what said? Through osculum an opening, the central cavity which connect to the outside, and we have to see the spongiocele also is there. Central cavity surrounded two layers of cells, choanocytes. See, for example, choanocytes. It is a collar cells are present at base of the flagellated cells. We have to see the collar cells also present here. Base of the choanocyte. See, these collar cells is present, and what's it here? Next, canal systems. Flagellated cells set hydrogen and currents. See, ingestion. First, we have to see the water currents. How like water is moving? See, we have to see the, this is a water. Water is entering inside. See, this like water is entering inside through ostia. Next, there too water enter into the ostia. See, water is entering the ostia. There too it is a filter small food particles. Here is a filtering, filter small food molecules. There too entering the these ingestion by collar cells. See, collar cells is the ingestion here. Ingestion by collar cells. See, it is a ingestion by collar cells. Next, we have to see the distribution of food by amoeboid cells. See, after is a distributing of the food, distributing of the food, amoeboid cells. Amoeboid cells. So it is a distributing. Next, we have to see the water goes out. See, it is a through the osculum of sponges. See, water is a goes out. Water is goes out through osculum. Osculum. Okay, have you understood this one? See, just we have to see the structures. See, porous form canal system is there. It is a porous is their whole body. Next, water enter into the ostia. See, water H2O. See, water is a entering into the ostia. There too, it is a filtration, small food molecules. It is a filtering is occurring there. Next, ingestion by the collar cells. Here collar cells is there, this like collar cells, they are ingestion. And next, distributing of the food, amoeboid cells, there is a distributing amoeboid cells. Next, water is goes out through osculum. It is a water is a goes out through osculum. See this slide about the structure of the, what is this? See structure of the porifera. Next we have to see the canal system. Next we have to see the advantages of canal systems. What is? Transport water, exchange of respiratory gases, and food gathering and remove waste. What is the advantages is there? See, transport water. See, water is a transporting. Transport water. Next, we have to see the exchange of respiratory gases. Exchange of respiratory gases. Respiratory gases. There too, food gathering. Food gathering. Next we have to see the after food gathering, it is a removal of the waste. Waste removal. Waste removal. We have to see the transport of water. Water is a transporting inside. Next, exchange of respiratory gases. Here is a exchange of the respiratory gases. This is a cellular level organisms. There is no specific organs is present in this organism. Next, food gathering. Next, waste material is a removing through a osculum. Next, we have to see the reproduction in porifera. Reproduction. What reproductions is there? See which type of asexual reproductions, fragmentation, asexual reproduction, asexual reproduction. See, asexual reproduction is there. What is asexual? See, it is a, there is no fusion of gamete. See, it is a multiple, it is a breakdown. See, it is a parent, it is a breakdown, it will form the multiple fusion, multiple pieces, and the multiple pieces is a growing the individually. We are calling the asexual reproductions. See, for example, this is a breakdown and it will form the multiple fusion, this like multiple fusion, and the multiple fusion is a growing the individual, see this porifera cycle. Fragmentation is a occurring here. Next we have to see the sexual reproduction. Fusion of sexual reproduction. In the sexual reproductions is a fusion of the gametes. Say hermaphrodite, it is no separate male and female sex. So it is a sexual reproduction means it is a fusion of the gamete. See, there is no separation of the male and female gametes. Next, male sex. Next here occurring the internal fertilization. Internal fertilization. Okay. This is about the porifera.